Planking is a popular exercise that primarily targets the core muscles, including the abdominal muscles, lower back, hips, and glutes. In this video, we will show you the shocking effects of planks on the body. Planking for 5 minutes every day can lead to various physiological and health changes, such as 1. Improved core strength. Planking engages multiple muscle groups in the core, leading to improved core strength and stability. This can help improve posture and reduce the risk of back pain. 2. Better posture. By strengthening the core muscles, planking can help improve overall posture and reduce strain on the spine, especially in the lower back area. 3. Enhanced metabolism. Planking can boost your metabolic rate, leading to better calorie burning and potentially aiding in weight management. 4. Increased flexibility. Regular planking can contribute to improved flexibility in the posterior muscle groups, including the shoulders, shoulder blades, and collarbone. 5. Enhanced muscle definition. Consistent planking can lead to more defined abdominal muscles, creating a firmer and flatter stomach appearance. 6. Improved balance and stability. Planking requires maintaining a straight and stable position, which can help enhance overall balance and stability. 7. Reduced risk of injury. Strengthening the core muscles through planking can help stabilize and support the spine, reducing the risk of injury during various physical activities. It's important to note that while planking can have several benefits, it's crucial to perform the exercise with the correct form to avoid strain or injury. Additionally, to achieve overall physical fitness, it's essential to combine planking with a well-rounded exercise routine that includes cardiovascular exercise, strength training, and flexibility exercises. When you achieve a low body fat percentage, below about 10% for men, 15% for women, you will really be able to see your core muscles. Performing hardcore exercises like planks will mean that there will be a tight, toned 4 or 6-pack to reveal. More muscle generally means a slightly boosted metabolic rate. There are few exercises that can match the plank in terms of core muscle stimulation, making it a favorite for any muscle building regime. Perfecting your posture will usually come as a result of strengthening your core muscles and lower back and ensuring that spinal alignment and upper back muscles are healthy. The plank will both work the relevant muscles needed for good posture and will also improve mindfulness over your spinal positioning. Back pain is often a result of poor posture, which, as we just saw, the plank can help with poor lower back and core strength and a lack of blood flow to the lower back muscles. Plank exercises all strengthen the core and lower back, will improve vascularity, and will help with posture. Here is a step-by-step instruction on performing a basic plank exercise, also known as a high plank, correctly and safely. Starting position: begin by positioning yourself face down on the floor. Place your palms flat on the ground, directly beneath your shoulders. Your toes should be tucked under, and your body should be in a straight line from head to heels. This is similar to a starting push-up position. Initiate the movement. Make sure to start by engaging your core muscles. Gently contract your lower abdominals as if you are bracing your core. Think about someone trying to punch your stomach, while at the same time lifting your pelvic floor muscles. This helps stabilize your spine and pelvis throughout the exercise. Then, use your upper body and core to push yourself into the full plank position on your hands and toes.